Hello people, in this tutorial we will learn about K-maps. K-maps. There are three type of design of K-maps: two variable K-map, three variable K-map, and four variable K-map. Before designing K-map, we have to know some facts about K-map. I have not facts, only one fact. K-map, it is actually known as Karnaugh map. It is a graphical method of simplifying Boolean equations. Means we can simplify those huge Boolean equation using K-map in a simple way. So now, as I already told you, there's three are techniques of representing variables in a K-map: two variable K-map, three variable K-map, four variable K-map. Means if we have two variables given in Boolean equation, we will design a two variable K-map. If we have three variables given in three in a Boolean equation, we will design three variable K-map. And if we have four variables, like we have ABCD plus A dash B dash C dash D plus means ABCD, four variables, we will design four variables K-map. If we have ABC or XYZ or PQR, three variables, we will design three variable K-maps. If we only have two variables, means AB or A bar B or AB bar plus B bars B bar A, we will design two variable K-map. So let's start. Let's start with a two variable K-map. This is the basic structure of two variable K-map. Here, this is basic structure of two variable K-map. I write this again. Two variable K-map. This is the basic structure. These are four boxes in two variable K-map. Those are known as minterms: M0, M1, M2, and M3. Suppose we have two variables known as A and B. So named as AB, their name can be PQ, XY, or anything. But for example, I have taken A and B. So in this will be A dash and this will be A. This will be B bar, B dash, and this will be B. So how to design a so this is structure of a basic two variable K-map. How to design and represent equation in this two variable K-map. Suppose we have equation y is equal to a bar b plus a b bar. So we have to denote this equation in this K-map. So let's see first term a bar b. So for representing in this K-map in two variable K-map or three variable K-map or in four variable K-map, always start with row and then column. So a bar b. So see a bar in a row column. Here is a bar. This is a bar and b. So a bar and b means these two connect here. So my point is here, so I will make this as 1. Now second term is a b bar, so I will look here in row column. This is a and b bar. Now in this column I will see for b bar. This is b bar. This both connects here, so I will denote his as 1, and remaining all boxes I will denote them as 0. This is 0, this is 0. This is how we represent variables in two variable K-map. This is as simple as that. Remember, this is a bar b means this is bar means 0. This is not bar means this is 1, plus this is not bar means this is 1, and this is bar means this is 0. This is in Boolean form. This is 1. This is 1. This is 1. 0 1 means in binary. Sorry, 1 and 1 0 in binary means 2. So if you see here, this is m0, this is m1, we have denoted 1 in M1, and this is M2, we have also denoted 1 in M2. So this proves that our representation of K-map is right. Thanks for watching two variable K-map.